Hello. The grounding 4-4-4-4 breath. Breathing in and out through the nose. And as we count in the Chittakash or the mind's eye. So we breathe in 2, 3, 4, holding the breath 2, 3, 4. Breathing out 2, 3, 4, holding out breath 2, 3, 4. Breath in 2, 3, 4, holding breath 2, 3, 4. Breathing out 2, 3, 4, holding breath 2, 3, 4. Keeping going at a rhythm that is natural for you. Letting the breath be loose and relaxed, relaxing the chest, relaxing the throat as you continue to practice. Inside your mind, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Letting the breath slide in easily and out through the nose. Body relaxed, spine relaxed, straight, spine nice and straight. And practice this for as long as you feel comfortable. Replacing the numbers now with Om, the sound of the universe or the frequency of planet Earth, to deepen the earthing of this breath. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Om, 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 Om. Slowly now coming to a close. I'm just sitting and being aware of the earthing benefits of such even a short have-a-go practice at the earthing 4-4-4-4 breath. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on the grounding breath, and use this at any time, whenever you like, whenever you feel that you want to ground earth, come into the center of you, to feel yourself embodied within your body. Using this breath especially is really good if you are trying to get to sleep at night, relaxing into dream world, or when you first wake up in the morning, or if you have a quiet moment at work. Just slip into this breath and really do relax the body systems. It's very good for the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and also the vagus nerve to earth and ground. Thank you very much. Namaste.